Hey you guys, it's your girl Kayla B. You know me, and I'm coming at you with another video, a Tuesday tutorial video. Happy morning, good morning. As you can see, it's a tutorial because one eye is done and one eye is not. I was gonna be like, let's do the whole skin thing, but I want a different tutorial for that because I've been really liking using certain products for my face. So yeah, sorry, I had like the bubble guts for a minute. I was like, no, they don't want to hear about that. They don't want to hear that. Let's just get into the video. So the first thing that I use on my eyes is the Fenty Beauty Eye Primer. I literally take it all over the lid so it could make that color pop because that pink doesn't pop without primer. Now in this tutorial, I'm using the Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette. Look at that. Yum. So I'm going to take a doll face in the inner to the middle of the crease. And then I'm going to take a man-eater on the outer corner in the outer part of the crease. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing. So basically using a hot pink and a blood shade. I just want to let you know that these shades are very powdery. They do have fallout and they're not pigmented without primer. Even with the concealer base, like the first time I did this eyeshadow look, I was like talking and I was like talking about this palette. I was like, this palette is not good. I only did concealer on the eyelids. Right there. So yeah. Today's gonna be a long day. I have so much to do today. I have so much homework and so much to do for my job. And you just blend a little bit on out because you want a gradient for that red. And just pat. Okay, same brush, the Fenty brush, and going into Man Eater. And just tapping that along. See, it's not that pigmented. It's not that. It's like a blood red. It was darker than this with just the concealer. These are what the shades look like. Like you can see the powderiness. It picks up. It picks up. And if I didn't put a base, that pink doll face would have so much fallout. But I'm gonna go into this red shimmer fling. Like I wanted to show you that that shade has like fallout. Like you can see I use my finger with this side, but it's to like minimize the fallout because you can see it's falling out of my face right now. That's exactly why I like to do my face last. Now I'm gonna take a doll face and I'm just gonna smudge that on the bottom lash line. Whoa. Now it has fallout. Like that's like a lot of dust. And I tapped it off too. And Man Eater on the outer part. Dang, this is really dusty. Now I'm gonna take my Fenty Fly Liner and top the top line, the top part of the eye. This right here, I'm gonna line that part. Now that the hard part's done, I'm gonna go in with Sandalwood, which is this beige shade, and Demir, which is this like hot, not hot, but like baby pink shade, and put that as my brown bow highlight, like I did on this side. While I'm doing that, I'm also blending out the top part, so it's like, bam, blend. Then I also like have like a little bit of highlight points in the middle, not the middle, the beginning of my eye, just, you know, blending it out and also raising that brow bone. Yeah. Then you can see like all the wrinkles in my face and in my eye. Well, hello, realness. Now I'm gonna take my Dose of Color liner and Caviar and do my lower line, my water line. Yeah. Wow, I don't remember words now. Now for my favorite part, highlight, I'm taking these 3 shades right here, mixing them together and putting them on my cheeks. And it creates like this like champagne gold, rose gold color, which I love. I just sprayed the Morphe times Jeffree Star setting spray. Now I'm letting that sink. By the way, I use my Covergirl what is it, Lash Blash volumizing mascara. The lip combo I'm going to use is from Bretman Rock Lip Collection. We got Dukes right here, and we got Dukes right here, and we got Wig right here. So the liner is Dukes and the lipstick is Wig. So there's the lip liner, and then I'm gonna put Wig on afterwards. So that's the end of this video. This is basically my red type of vibe. Sweatpants, you know, Marilyn Monroe. Got white sneakers, white, red. Then I got the denim jacket, cause you know, it's cold outside, it's fall time. Anyways, I hope you guys like this video. I really like how the light just picks on the dewiness, like, yes. Anyways, have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and bye you guys. Did you like the tutorial? I mean, it turned out amazing.